Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a good day. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register into US Bank's online banking account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's move on to the video. So the first step, search for register US Bank online banking account and click on the first link over here. And it will take you to this website. Over here, click on where it says login. And on login, at the bottom where it says create a username and password, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to its sign up page. And once you're in this page over here, you want to choose the type of account you have. And after that, you want to enter the type of information it asks you over here. And then, after providing the information like a debit or credit card and your SSN number, and if you have a PIN, you can enter it. If you don't, just click on no and click on continue. It's gonna ask you for some information. It's like a 4-step process, and after completing the entire 4-step, your account will be created. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.